Hey there, today I'll tell you about how to reverse cash sent on Capitec app. To reverse a cash sent on the Capitec app, you need to contact Capitec customer service immediately as soon as you realize the mistake. As reversing a cash sent is only possible if the recipient hasn't yet redeemed the cash. You can do it directly through the app yourself. The sooner you contact Capitec, the higher the chances of reversing the transaction. The cash sent can only be reversed if the recipient hasn't already withdrawn the money. Reach out the Capitec customer service through their app, website, or phone number. Now I'll show you how you can do it by using Capitec app. For this, we'll start by opening the Capitec mobile banking app on your phone. Make sure your internet is stable and that your number is registered with the bank. Now, next, navigate to the main menu and tap on Transact. This will open all your transaction options. Then, find and select debit orders. This section allows you to dispute transactions and reverse payments if necessary. Now, for security, you will need to enter your remote PIN before proceeding. This ensures only authorized users can reverse transactions. Once authenticated, you will see a list of recent transactions. Select the one you want to reverse. You will now need to provide a reason for the reversal. This helps Capitec process your request efficiently. Then finally review and accept the terms. Then tap submit. Your reversal request will be processed shortly. And that's it. Your money reversal request is now in progress. If you need further assistance, contact Capitec support. Like and subscribe for more banking tips.